Career Day gives students an up-close look at different career paths and connect their learning to the real world. This year's Sheikh Abubakar Gummi Academic Career Day was an exciting opportunity for students to dive, learn and gain insight into the vast array of career options awaiting them in future.
This Career Day is organized for the sole reason of exposing our children to various career prospects, to clear their confusions and open up their minds about their prospects in various fields.
One of the defining moments was the diversity of careers that were showcased, from the more traditional professions like doctors, lawyers and engineers to the more creative fields like catering and sports.
These are the doctors from the nursery section of Sheikh Abubakar Gummi, the great doctors of first the doctors, the engineers, entrepreneurs and artisans, great pilots, followed by the great lawyers, our great lawyers now defend us, not only in trouble.
Right. Next we have the pilots from the primary section. Our greatest pilots, our greatest future pilots of Nigeria. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide you. This is a medical profession. So together we have the medical doctors, we have the nurses, we have the surgeons, we have the radiologists, we have the ophthalmologists, we have the pharmacists, we have the optician, dentist. We have so many of them to mention but a few. You can see how beautiful, how immaculately beautiful they look. The lawyers, they are the last hope, as you can see the slogan. The last hope of common man. Wow, I'm deeply enthralled by this slogan. Here are the lawyers, the legal profession. Wow, up next is engineers. You can see how beautiful, colorful they look. The builders of the nation. They design the world. Engineering and also information technologies. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you. I'm very much interested in, which is sports. You can see how skillful this player is. Wow, 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 wow. This shows how immaculately brilliant you are. This is super califragilisticexpialidocious performance. Please give it up. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you as you desire to achieve your career or goal in life. Oh, the great farmers of Sheikh Abubakar Gummi Academy, the future farmers of Nigeria. Our future farmers we sustain life. Honestly, you can see that. And also entrepreneurs. The greatest chef and entrepreneur of Nigeria. The prospective chefs and entrepreneurs of Nigeria. Wow, the future bankers of Nigeria. Well, I believe someday one of you will be the Central Bank of Nigeria governor and also holding the CBN governor. Welcome to Management and Social Sciences. Where we have a content. Teaching, the greatest teacher! The greatest teacher! We are the teachers! The noble profession! The noble profession! The great teachers! We are not the teachers! We are the future leaders! We are not the teachers! But we are what we are the teachers. We are the cheerleaders. We have journalism, the field of journalism. where we have loyalty, we have the price, while the completion of the prayers and also
the presence of a medical profession who shared her expertise and experience in the field of medicine added color to the event.
For private universities, your share is 6 years, and then for government or public universities, you have 6 years and X, all right? So basically for medicine, the core subjects includes maths, English, physics, chemistry, biology, and I think one of the Nigerian languages. Those are what you need to read medicine. And then medicine spans for a period of 6 years. Medicine and surgery spans for a period of 6 years. The first 3 years preclinicals, and then the other 3 years clinicals. In the preclinicals, usually you deal with things like pharmacology, where you are taught about, all the body fluids, the blood, serum, everything in the body, and how they work, all right? And then when you take medications as well, how they work on your body. That's what pharmacology does. Then you also have anatomy. Anatomy is where we dissect cadavers. Now, cadavers are dead bodies of either bodies that are unclaimed from the mortuaries or from accident victims or executed criminals. They are shared around the Nigerian universities. And so medical students have this privilege to actually dissect those cadavers. We treat them with so much respect, just like a living being, all right? So that's what we do in the preclinical side. And then biochemistry as well. It also teaches you about, the chemical components of everything you have in the body. And then when you do the exams after the year 3, preclinicals, we cross over to the clinical side. In the clinical side, you're taught about things like, O&G itself, surgery, ophthalmology, all the various parts of the body. You actually go into it to get, the basics of what that is. And then thereafter, you do the final MBA exams, and then you have the 1-year compulsory internship. Now, in the 1-year compulsory internship, this is where you learn to communicate with real patients.
There were presentations from different career fields to motivate and inspire the students as they start planning for their future.
The army, the naval personnel, the airmen and the law enforcement personnel, all other protocols duly observed. I, Major General Muhammad Ibrahim Tom, have chosen a path in life. I want to serve and protect my country from external threats and terrorism, preventing illegal smuggling, assisting civil authorities in maintaining law and order, providing relief during natural disaster, providing humanitarian aids and also maintaining national unity. So help me God for the
Bello Hussaini. I'm here to tell you about core subjects that is essential to all engineering fields. Number one, which is maths. Maths, engineering relies heavily on calculation and problem solving. Number two, physics. 3, chemistry, and 4, English language. Additional subjects depending on engineering discipline. Number one, further math. Number two, technical drawing. Number 3, computer science. Number 4, biology. And number 5, geography.
I am here to tell you the roles of AI in engineering. AI means artificial intelligence. AI designs buildings and machines. It creates smart ideas for engineers. AI fixes problems before they happen. AI warns when machines might break. AI helps engineers do jobs quickly. It helps engineers do jobs quickly and easily. AI builds safer roads and bridges. It checks if they are strong. AI controls robots. Robots can help us build cars and houses. AI saves electricity. It helps us use less electricity and water. AI helps engineers learn. It creates new ways for engineers to fix problems.
My name is Engineer Ilham Aliyu Garba. We engineers are present in all aspects of your life. We are present in your home. We are present in your school. We are present in your office. We are present in your hospital. We are present even in your places of worship. Still not convinced? Let's talk about magnet. A magnet is a metal that attracts other metal.
A teacher is an individual who plays a vital role in educating, guiding, and mentoring students to acquire the knowledge, skills, and values necessary for their personal and professional growth. Reasons why teachers matter. Children carry what they are taught at a young age throughout the rest of their lives. They will use what they have learned to influence society. Everyone knows that today's youth is tomorrow's leader, and teachers have access to educate the youth in their most impressionable years, whether that is in teaching preschool, teaching extracurriculars, sports, and traditional classes. Teachers have the ability to shape leaders of the future in the best way for society to build positive and inspired generations. In reality, teachers have the most important job in the world, those who have the power to change lives, not just for those children themselves, but for the lives of all.
Barrister Ikram Abdullahi Adamu. As a lawyer, I'm going to define law. Law is a system of rules created and enforced by the government, institution, and social groups to regulate behaviors and maintain order in the society. They are enforced by courts and legal institutions to ensure justice and fairness. Types of career in the court system are judge, lawyer or attorney, court reporter, legal assistant, and bailiff.
A farmer is someone who grows plants and raises animals for human use. A farmer is agricultural professional who raises living animals or plants. Today, farming have gone beyond the use of local tools such as hoe and cutlass. Mechanization is now the current trend in agriculture. This is popularly known as farm mechanization.
Please, who are you?
I am a surgeon. A surgeon is a person who performs operation.
Thank you. Please, who are you?
Gynecologist. specialties. This branch of medicine deals with care of women during pregnancy and childbirth.
Please, who are you? I'm a dentist. A dentist is a person who cares for the teeth or gums. I am a doctor. Let's talk about a doctor. A doctor is a person who treats people when they are sick or hurt. Secondly, why I love to be a doctor. I love to be a doctor because I love treating people. It is fun. Thirdly, I would like to give the mic to Dr. Salma to tell me the qualities of a doctor.
A doctor must be neat, a doctor must be smart, a doctor must be humble.
If you have headache after this program, you can visit us in www.doctors@sheikhgummi@yahoo.treatment.com.
Court rise. Today, there is a case file AI-2025-001, Courtroom 3B, Superior Court of Justice. The presiding judge is Honorable Justice Sadia Abubakar on the 6th February 2025. This case is between the people and artificial intelligence AI. The parties involved are plaintiff.
In this Honorable Court of Competent Jurisdiction, the case between the people and artificial intelligence AI Corporation will be once attended to. From the previous hearing on the 12th of January 2025, this very case was adjourned to the 7th of February 2025, today for the final hearing. But before the judgment pronouncement, an opportunity will be once again granted to the two counsels, that is, the plaintiff counsel, which is represented by Anthony Karima Said, and the defendant counsel represented by Anthony Salman Saad, to honorably recapitulate their views on artificial intelligence, in which there is an uphills on its activities. Now, before the plaintiff counsel proceed, I would like everyone in attendance meeting court order.
Thank you, my lord. This is depriving countless individuals of employment opportunities. According to Section 24, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, AI has deprived people of their rights to be employed and work in different organizations. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, according to the Constitution of Nigeria, under Section 319, subsection 123, quoted and I read, any information provided by artificial intelligence, the law enforcement agency should quickly arrest the prosecutor or the offender. So, my lord, I don't think that this innovation have brought danger to the society, but rather development and employment. Thank you, my lord.
The evidence presented by the plaintiff counsel witness lack merit. According to Section 39, subsection 54 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a result, this lack of neutralization, such arguments will highly not be considered. However, having heard from the both counsels and understood their points, from their I draw my conclusion that the plaintiff counsel has no evidence beyond reasonable doubt on this court of competent jurisdiction. As I rule that this Honorable Court of Competent Jurisdiction hereby adjourn this case again till July 5th, 2025.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm Aisha Rilwan Sarki. We are diving into a topic that affects us all at some point in our lives, career development. Today we'll explore the various factors that influence these choices, the challenges we face, and the strategies for making informed and fulfilling career decisions. What challenges do you think young people face when choosing a career?
I believe that there are a lot of challenges young people face when choosing careers. First, we have racial background. In a country like Nigeria, where you can only be 5 things, that's a medical doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, a politician, or a failure. When youth are considering careers, they don't actually consider careers outside these perspectives. And then we have religion. For instance, you're a Muslim now and you have passion for music, but considering Islam, what kind of music would you like to be producing?
Since we're on the topic of parents, how has your parents and or teachers influenced your career choice?
My parents and teachers haven't really had much of an influence on my career choice. In fact, they have encouraged me to go for the medical field, but I have a passion for buildings and designs from the initial design phase to the final construction stage.
But let's talk about technology for a moment, because the world we know is fast evolving and fast developing. And slowly but surely, we are moving into a world which is full of technology. Aisha Liman, how do you think technology is changing career opportunities in your field?
I believe that the rapid speed in which technology is changing medicine is really productive, because now, thanks to technology in the field of medicine, we have been able to find a cure to some of the most terrible diseases in the world. And thanks to technology, a medical doctor can be in one country and still be in touch with his patients in another country. This aspect has helped us being able to have more interactions with our patients and know how they are treating themselves, rightly or wrongly.
Well, take away. One thing to note is that there's dignity in all labor or career one chooses to undertake. No career or profession is superior or inferior to one another. You can create wealth or any profession you choose. The most important thing is that you are happy with what you do.
The principal of the school called on parents to respect the decisions of their children in choosing career path.
To celebrate the children activities and at the same time to educate them about the existence of different professions, different careers. And to also let them know that there are some careers that are becoming obsolete because of the advent of AI, artificial intelligence. No classes for the children, all the children were allowed to choose their own career. As you can see, we even talk to the parents not to interfere. They should allow the children to choose their own careers. Parents should not influence their decision. A child wants to become a teacher. Parent will say, God forbid, I don't want my child to become a teacher. I want my child to become an engineer or a doctor. But the thing is that these children, they are the one in it. They are the one that will study what they want to become in future.
Some of the parents expressed their feelings and encouraged other parents on their duties as guardians.
The earlier the better, because people like us growing up, we didn't have this opportunity. We didn't even know what career it is. We didn't even know what career is at this stage, at the primary level. So I think it's a good initiative, should be encouraged. Yeah.
Kind of career days, because it will channel the right direction. It will channel the students to the right direction, and the parents will also see, the diversity in different careers and the advantages and benefits of their children taking one career. Before choosing any career, the most important thing is interest. Because once a child is interested in doing something, then he's going to give his best out of it.
The students shared how this year's career day had broadened their horizon and exposed them to a wide range of professions.
I chose a medical doctor because being a medical doctor is about saving people's lives. It's about putting your own life first. It's about putting other people's life before yours. It's about selflessness and trying to prove to the world that doctors aren't selfish. We care about the world first. I want to show people that being a doctor is amazing.
I chose journalist because I've always felt I'd like to be on live TV. So it has always been part of me since I was young.
I choose to become an astronaut. Astronauts are scientific, are scientists that go to space and do experiments in the moon. That's why I want to become an astronaut, so I can go to the moon.
I chose sports because I love sports. And I put football jersey because I want to be a footballer if I grow up.
This year's event was a tremendous achievement that left the students with the glimpse of a future career path to follow. The road to success is always under construction. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep striving for excellence.